for a lot of people, they would love to choose a different reality. There's a lot of people going through some stuff right now that would love to choose a different reality. I mean, for me, I'd love to choose the reality that won the $1.4 billion that's going on the Powerball right now. But hey, we can't win them all, right? But so really kind of walk me through that, because when you're saying choose a different reality, how open is it? Is it a psychological thing? Are we like, how do we choose that different reality? Because it's very, I mean, I would love to just say, hey, I want to choose a reality where I'm making $1 million a year. Like, what does that look like? How? Because I'm struggling now, because now all I'm thinking is sci-fi, and I need to cut that out of my mind for a second. So tell me about that specific aspect of it.
Okay, totally. Okay, so let's go down a rabbit hole. Every time you make a choice, imagine this: your timeline branches off, and the version of you who made the choice you make, you, goes on to keep living your life. But your timeline branches off, and there's another version of you that lives out the other choice that your version didn't make. And then every time those two versions have to make a choice, the timelines branch again, and so on and so on. And you can see how this is just this big tree, right?
Right.
And there are versions of your reality. There are versions of reality that are very similar to what you are consciously living. And then there are versions of reality that are vastly, vastly different. Like there is a version of you right now who won that Powerball, who has, everything.
I need to meet that guy.
Yeah. Who's maybe with your ex, and so on. And the cool thing, if you're just listening to this and thinking like, this is a bunch of woo woo, the cool thing is
this sounds like an Avengers movie, but anyway, go on.
The cool thing is that quantum physics backs it up. So in quantum physics, there's what's called the many worlds theory, or the many worlds interpretation of quantum physics.